Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be trying out this lovely artbook prompt by Cassie projects. Let's open it up and see what we can create. Alright, I'm so excited to start. This looks super cute already. I love the illustrations. Cute place where you can put your name on. And now let's read this. This book has 25 prompts, one for each day leading up to Christmas. Start this book on the 1st December and continue to complete each page until you get to Christmas Day. Remember, if you would rather take your time and complete this prompt book slowly, you can make each page as simple or as complicated as you'd like. Great reminder to really hammer in the fact that there's no pressure doing this fun little art book. It's about having fun and enjoying yourself and exploring your creativity. I also need to know if I can use my markers or not. What materials can you use? Pencils plus pen. If using a pen that bleeds, like alcohol markers, put a piece of card behind the page to protect the other pages. Well, I have a nice anti-bleed sheet that I can use for this. I like that I can also use acrylic paints and different mediums if I want to. I think for today I am just going to do markers because that's easier for me and I love using markers. The aim of this book is to not worry about the end result. It doesn't need to be perfect. Love the process and enjoy creating. I guess this is also a great exercise for mindfulness as well, on top of exercise for your creativity. For today, I'm just gonna choose a random page and have fun with it. I just kind of go through the pages and eventually pick one that I like. I ended up picking this one. Draw the season. Use the weather to inspire you. What colors does the season bring? Decorate this page with paint, pens, pencils, or even create a collage. For this one, I'll be using markers today, and I'll be both using HOTU markers and Copic markers. Let's get creating. I'll also be using fine liners for today. I'll be trying this new brand and I'll be using my usual micron pens as well. I think I want to draw the season in really my own style. So I'm going to create a seasonal creature, something to really embody this cold, cozy, and snowy season. Maybe I'll draw like a penguin frog. You know what? I'm just going to play around and find out. When I think of this cold season, I think of hot chocolate, so that was one of the first things that I decided to draw. The season stands for being cozy, warm, and in company of other people. To really represent that coziness, I decided to draw a seal. Seals always look so cute and warm and comfy to me, so I thought that they would be the perfect creature to draw today. Once my sketch is done, I grab my markers and fine liner and then start drawing. Make sure to grab a protective sheet to put behind your paper so nothing bleeds through. Now let's get this process started. Meanwhile, let's talk about hot chocolate. How do you like your hot chocolate? I like my hot chocolate exactly like Ned Flanders makes them. Completely stuffed, full, and overly sweet. Let me know down in the comments below what the best hot chocolate would be like for you. What I especially love about this season is the comfy blankets and clothes that you get to wear. No offense to summer. Summer is great and all, but winter really is my personal favorite season. What's your favorite season and why? done coloring everything in, so now I finish off the artwork with fine liner to add all the little details. Finally done, and I'm so happy with how this little cutie turned out. This was such a fun prompt to work with, and this was the first one that I got to try, so I'm so excited to try the rest as well. Alright, so we're finally at the end of the video, and I must say, this whole book is such a pleasure to work with. It's really fun, it stimulates your creativity, and it gets you in the mood for Christmas. If you'd like to try this one out yourself, I made sure to put a link down in the description for you for where to get it and when you can order it. Make sure to check out the lovely Cassie projects on YouTube, link down in the description as well. She has great work, great energy, and is a fantastic artist. Thank you so much, Cassie, for sending me this lovely book. I'm definitely gonna have fun with this upcoming December before Christmas and unleash my creativity. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Again, as usual, make sure to like and subscribe this video if you want to see more art content, and I have some more art stuff in store for you guys. And as always, stay creative.